Hey guys, it's Adam from Adam for Life 07. Today I will teach you how to make the world's fastest or the world's farthest paper airplane. I think it's the world's farthest, yeah. The world's farthest paper airplane. It's pretty good. It flies really far. So what you do is take a piece of paper and then fold it in half. So you fold it in half, crease it, and then you open it up. Then you fold it again, like this, crease it, and then you fold it again, like this, with, like that. Okay. So you fold it like this, crease it, and then you fold it this way. I'll give you some time for that. Or just pause the video, and crease it. And then, so you have this. And then, you want it to be like at least a centimeter, like your finger right there. Just that, like this in the middle, and then you can make a good paper airplane. Then you fold it like this, and then you fold it again like this. Crease it. And then, see this triangle right here? Right here. You take it and flip it up. Now crease the triangle, hold on it, like this. And then, what you do is put it on a table, and fold it in half. Fold this in half and crease it. And then what you do is then you fold the wings like this. And you can pause at any time of the video and you can rewind it and stuff. So then you do the same on this side. And then you open this up. Oh. If you did it wrong, and if there's too much space, just so then you fold it the same size, because then it won't work if you don't fold it the same size. Now I folded it the same size now. And here's a little test. So here's the airplane. That one, I didn't really make it too well, but that's the instructions. I don't know what to call it. I didn't make it up, but I don't know what to call it. And so hopefully yours flies really far. Mine just did like loads of heart rolls. So yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Good. Bye.